Hello Poppets, happy Halloween and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing Lego Harry Potter Advent. I'm so excited. I love Lego, I love Harry Potter and I love Christmas. Three things. So yeah, this is kind of like a Halloween slash Christmas video. Two things that are complete opposite, but it's Halloween, so I kind of felt like I had to do something. But yeah, I am unboxing this whole thing. So if you have this and you don't want to know obviously what's inside, there are going to be spoilers, so turn it off now. You have been warned. But if you would like to know, then keep on watching. If this is the first time you see my face, hello and welcome to my channel. If you would like to become a Potter Poppet with us, then please click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. But let's unbox this beauty. Okay, so this was taped but I have untaped it to save a bit of time. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you this, it's so cool, I'm going to flip it this way and then ta-da, you can create your own scene afterwards. How cool is this? But yeah, let's unbox these doors because I am rather excited. So door one, just checking my hair. Do we like it, guys? I thought I'd have a change. How do we do this? There we go. Ooh, okay. Oh, so the first thing we have is a bag with a dismembered Harry in it, but there he is on the door. What I think I'm going to do, guys, just to save a bit of time, I'm going to unbox it all instead of undo a door and then build it, then undo another door because it will take a while. I'm going to undo all the doors and then at the end I will show you what it all looks like, and even better, displayed on this thing. So yeah, we'll do it that way. So yeah, that was in door number one. Okay, door number two. Oh my gosh, I really need to be careful with these doors because of the scene. Oh, mission. Oh, we have a little Hogwarts train in its little bag. And obviously it's cool, it shows you how to do it. It is the Hogwarts, yeah, it is. It's the Hogwarts Express. Door number three is way over here. We have a Christmas tree. Oh, that looks intense. But yeah, oh, two Christmas trees? No, I think it's one Christmas tree. It's just showing you what it looks like when it's been built, I think. But we'll find out, Door number four, where are you? There you are. At the top. Oh, I need to be so careful. Oh, and we have a bigger tree. Oh my gosh, that looks so intense. This is why I'm not building it now, guys. We'll be here forever. I'll show you at the end. Door number four. Door number five. We have... Oh, it's the Gryffindor flag. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's stuck. The Gryffindor flag. Very nice. Okay, door number six. It's McGonagall. There she is. It looks really sad, look. It's just all dismembered in there. But yeah, there she is on the door. Very nice. Oh, I am excited. Door number seven. And I thought as well, because we've got the Great Hall, we can make it Christmassy for Christmas. Yes! If I do it, I'll show you. Yeah. Door number seven, we have one of the tables in the Great Hall. This little bag. I hope you can see the doors all right. You'll see it all at the end anyway. You'll see it all. Door number eight. I'm just going to have to shift myself because I'm sat at an angle and my back hurts. There we go. Door number eight. Oh, we have, chicken and roast potatoes. Oh, that looks nice. I'm hungry now. Door number nine. Don't rip it. Oh, we have the Slytherin flag in its little bag. Beautiful. Door number 10. Oh, there it is. In the top corner. Oh my god, this wig is itching. We have Ronnie. easy run. Don't you worry. Don't panic. Door number 11. We have another table for the Great Hall. And it has a candle on it. Can you see? Door number 12. There it is. I'm not doing bad. Normally there's always a door that I can't find. Ooh, is that, oh, croissants and pastries and drinks. Oh, we're going to have a right feast in this little bag there. I'm putting them back in because if I mix the bags up, I'm not going to know which one goes which. Door number 13, are we on now? Yes. Door number 13. Oh, my house flag. My house flag in this little bag. On there. These flags look really cute. Door number 14. There it is. Here it is. I'm so itchy in this wig. It's Hermione and she's got her little scarf on and oh, it's all Christmassy and stuff in a Halloween video. It's not a Halloween video, but oh, sorry, I've just realised as well they have their little wands as well. That's so cool. 15. My lucky number 15. Oh, they're so cute. We have a witch snowman. That's adorable, guys. That is so much fun. Sorry about the crinkles. Door number 16. Oh, we have the wizard's chess set. I nearly knocked the camera flying. But there it is. Ooh, I'm so excited to put all this together. So excited. 17. And there we have the last house flag, the Hufflepuff flag. That's so cute. 18. Oh, I thought I ripped it. 18. We have Fleetwig! Fleetwig! Ow. I'm so excited about building this. Oh, he's got a little bow tie. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yes, you can. Look at his little bow tie. Oh God, what door was that in? Oh my God, what door was it in? 18. But there he is on his little door. How exciting. I know I keep saying that, but I'm really excited. Oh, we have the fireplace. Oh, look at that. There's quite a lot of bits in that one. That's quite cool. Okay, 20. Where are we? Door 20. What is this? What is that? I don't know. It's like all the crests and go on a... Maybe it's just something decorative. A present? Is there a present? I keep knocking you guys. I'm so sorry. I don't know what that is. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's got all the house crests and it's like a cube. Maybe when it's built, we'll know a bit more by looking at it when it's built. Maybe. Door 21. 4 more doors to go. Oh, we have a golden statue. Hang on, I'll show you. Little golden statue. They're so cute. Notice in its bag. 22. My arm's aching. Oh, in here. Oh, well, these are Christmas presents. And it has little owl post letters on it. Let's have a look. Oh, they're so cute. The little letters are in there. Can you see? It's just hiding slightly. That's so cool. So if they're presents, I don't know what that cube is. Maybe when it's built, like I said, it'll make more sense, maybe. Door 23. Oh, of course. Dumbledore. Gosh. Oh. His little beard and glasses. Ah, so cute. 24. Last door, guys. Last door. We're on Christmas Eve, on Halloween. Oh, that is, wow. Wig. Okay, so we have a trunk. We have some letters, some ones, a book, I can't see it from here. And obviously we have a little Hedwig stood on top of the trunk there, and another letter. I don't know what that is. I'll have a look. I haven't got my glasses on and those pictures are quite small. But yeah, it's all, oh look at Hedwig. He's awesome. Wow. Okay, I really actually did enjoy unboxing this. It was really cool. You do get quite a lot. It's £20. Yeah, I really like that. So now I'm going to go off. I'm going to assemble all the Lego figures. I'm going to try and fix all the doors back and create a scene for you, and I will be back. To you guys it will be a second, but I'll probably be gone for like 3 hours trying to build this. See you soon. This video, guys, just as much as I enjoyed doing it for you. I cannot wait to set them Lego characters and Christmas trees and everything into my Lego Great Haul, and I promise I will do a little video when I do it. Obviously I'm not going to do it until December. It's bad luck to put trimmings up before then, but yeah, I promise I will show you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, Poppets.